In front of me is ZTE Nubia Flip tool, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this microphone at the top of it. Then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or click on this blue button with a white microphone. To start again, click on the white button with blue microphone. To manage voice typing settings, hit this gear on the left and manage all of those. To delete your text during voice typing, use this icon on the right. And to go back to your keyboard, use this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!